We're gonna do the Easter egg live on Twitch. It's 30 minutes. You have time. Yeah, 30 minutes. Oh, we'll have it done before 12. I don't know what time. Cold War. Sorry, what's up? Yeah? What's up, babe? I know, but his time. What is it, your time? It's 12:50 my time. Oh, okay. Well, it won't be before. Oh, 12:50 you said? We can be it before 12:50. Okay. Yeah, we can be it before 12. We can't, but it doesn't matter. Wait, you have your Cold War downloaded? Don't worry about it, Creepo. We'll play after. Unless you can join our game. Alright, Milk, here's what we're gonna do. Spawn with the... I'm just gonna spawn with a knife and carry you through the Easter egg as hard as I can. There you go. You'll get to enjoy it tomorrow at least. I mean, not really. You'll probably be playing on my account, wanting to rip your eyes out. Oh, Creepo did join. Oh my god, got Milk, look, Creepo joined. Creepo. Oh fuck.
Arriving at Alpha Site. You're clear, Strike Team.
Welcome to Alpha Site, Strike Team.
Yeah, you choose
Let's get to work.
Creepo, any weapon. Go for headshots and get you this XP. We're gonna stay here till about wave 6 and save a zombie, last zombie. Alright? As long as we save zombies, we get to do Easter egg. Welcome to Die Maschine, Milk. How do I say hi again?
First class performance, everyone. How's everything going?
How's everything going, Milk?
Nazi bastards. Of course they're responsible for this mess.
Fuck up the
Team,
spawns.
we need to find the facility entrance and figure out just what happened here.
Yeah. No, definitely not. Buy the other one. Always.
Located locked door.
But we're gonna keep it locked until, just stay here and kill zombies. Aim for the head Creepo. We're gonna do the Easter egg with Creepo and for the first time. Oh my god, I'm so making this a YouTube video. Well, you're not an idiot. Creepo's semi. We'll do it though. We got this. This Easter egg's so easy. We got this in the bag, we can do it. Just kidding. Yeah, no, we're good. We got the skills here, saving nukes in the end of the round. I like that. We got this. 7-tex grenade on the ground. Alright, zombies drop shit you can pick up. Me too. Satchels and monkeys is really or stuns. Stuns are great. You can stun the megatons with stuns. I'll go to the other side of the map. Grenades, stuns, monkey bombs, self-revives. That crafting table is kill streaks and shit. That box right here is where you get ammo. There's boxes all around the map where you can get ammo. So it's kind of like World War II zombies, and like Treyarch zombies had sex and had a baby. Decoy or stun? Stun's better. You could get the decoy. Who wants the decoy? There's a frag here if someone wants a frag. Okay, so it's wave 4. We're gonna stay here until the end of wave 6, and then we'll do better than 6. It's nice to have you here. It's nice to have you both. myself here, actually. No idea. I'm lonely. Yeah, I did. I mean, that won't be you for long. Maybe Creepo. It'll be Creepo forever, actually. But he'll never have. He may actually. He levels up quick. Creepo levels up quick, so. Yeah, I love the name. El Creepo stuck with his name though, so I'll know him. Suck it, I'll always. Just suck it. I think Death Ravens is why you hate games. That's it. Actually, we're gonna save one at the end of this round, so
Carcass eliminated.
maximize points. I think our last one. Still alright, so save last. There's two. There's one. Alright. Welcome back to Knocked. Come on, follow us up here. Follow us up here. Yeah, you can run them around if you want, or just come on up here. I got it, I beat you. I'm gonna out the door this way. Here, Creepo, come over. Wait for Creepo. Don't. Hey, stop. You stop. Don't open that. I want Creepo to be there for it. Creepo, get up here. Come here. You gotta be a part of this. Nigga, you did it.
Automated doors. Stay
Oh
frosty.
no, Creepo, you missed it. Oh.
Omega group equipment everywhere, walking cadavers all over the site. Don't need a magic 8-ball to know we're in bad shit here.
The Nazis lost control of the experiment in 45.
Stay close to us.
Did the Soviets really think they'd do
We're gonna
better?
experience this together.
We need to get the power
Alright,
on.
the lights are gonna come on together though. Nah, just follow us. Oh, you should get the gallows shotgun, but we already ran by it. It's okay. We're good. Sucket's gonna buy a door up here. You can just jump up here and climb up like this. I didn't know that until like a month or 2 months into the game. It took me so long. There. Get it? Oh. Alright, and then you turn on. Get down here. We're gonna turn on the terminals and on the anomaly. Terminal here. You can do your thing after we get the pack-a-punch part. You can do your the show me where it is.
I think it's fair to say that's what I'm
I remember like
investigating.
okay, you ready to enter Dark Ether, boys?
Looks just like
Here we go, here it goes. Alright, let's run on up and outside though so we can get the part. Yeah, Creepo, follow me. Follow me, boys. Here. Up here.
Strike team, do you read me?
Alright, welcome to the Dark Ether. Look up aside. Look at the jellyfish. Look how pretty it is. In the lighting. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. Alright, now let's come into Knocked over here. Yeah, you knife them and stuff will pop out. You might get some goodies sometimes. We gotta get that machine part though. Shoot it too, I guess, right? I'm just knifing everything, so that's all I got, right? These jellies. I mean, look, there's like stuff you can get for being in this. I just don't know how to get it yet, so you guys are gonna have to help me figure it out. Like, if you look in there in like a part of it, you don't have to follow me down. Don't waste your points. Just gonna get the machine part, put it on Pack-a-Punch, and then it'll teleport us out of Dark Ether. Oh, run! Yeah, it's down by the pond area where you guys are at. If you turn around and run back up, it'll take you towards where the plane is again. And I'll meet you guys back there. Pack-a-Punch has been built.
Strike team,
El
Report.
Creepo can buy the gallo.
What the hell just happened?
Data suggests they traveled to the other dimension.
So he has a good gun. We'll be set to start next round after I activate the ether portal. Alright, so Creepo, I want you to come
Marking wall gun
by
for pickup.
this. Creepo, come by that wall by right there. I marked it on your screen. Me and Sucker are both here. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. It gets a little foggy for like a moment and then go away. Hey, just buy this gallo right here.
I like shotguns.
Good boy. Yeah, that's the best gun in the game. Alright, now, we should get our armor as soon as possible, so if you come down here, we probably don't, yeah, I'm not sure if you guys have enough yet, but if you do, get armor. I think that's, no, not jug, armor, it's right here. It's like shields. Just hold X at that, and you see the armor. If you're able to afford it, you get it. If not, don't worry about it. Yeah, me too. Okay, so let's kill the... wait. Look for an ether portal. Is there another ether portal, or we're gonna have to kill the zombie? No, there isn't. Kill zombie. Alright. Yeah, you can do that, actually. Did you already get the... yeah, the one in the window down there.
Huh?
Right here. Stand here. Look up in the window. Back up a little.
Fetch me their souls.
Did you get the one in the window? Oh, you gotta fight these assholes first. Let's focus. Play counts. Here you kill them with the staying gas. Just stay with the gas. Ah.
Here we go.
Alright, I'm gonna look for the, me too, Alright. They're evil, they're tough as fuck. Yeah, the sting. The sting's Thank you. Yeah, they're evil. Alright, look. Yeah. Alright, that's last, save that. We're gonna look for a teleport back into Dark Ether. We gotta pick up 3 parts. I'll show you where the parts are. Spawn. There's the teleport, I see it. Alright, so there's a part here, I want you to stay by it. It's gonna spawn right here on the plane, right
Marking
here.
waypoint coordinates.
Someone stay there. And then there'll be one at spawn. Creepo or whoever. Actually, Creepo, just stay by Melt. Creepo, you just stay by Melt. Go to that waypoint I marked. You guys just stay by that waypoint, and I'll do the other 2. You guys stay by the waypoint. Yeah, I went back into it, and you guys go to the waypoint. There might be a part there that will spawn, it might not. I'm gonna make it spawn there, though. I have to pick up the 3 parts for the ether scope. Survive. Survival is... There's gonna be dogs that spawn. Kill the dogs. Just run away from them. Forgot about that. Get the other part real quick. Creepo's kind of like the guy that's going to be doing all the killing because he has a gallo shotgun. Suck it, go buy a gallo. Also, pick up the part. Pick up the part by the plane that I showed you. It should be there now. Get the part. Let me know when you got it. Try to hurry. On the plane spot, it's a gold part, you'll see it. You don't see it? Tell me you see it. I could... I'm coming get it. I got it. Tell me you didn't get it. You got it? You got it? Did you get it? No, I got it. Okay, I got it. Let's go. It's okay, it's okay. You can do it in 2 ethers. I'm just trying to rush it. Alright, it's right up here, by the way. Right, Alright, more dogs. Right, gallows.
This should knock the wind off them.
Alright, we got the last one now. Particle accelerator. I probably won't make it in time, am I? No, I won't. If I make it, I'm God, but I don't think I will. I ain't that suited. Come on! Oh God. It's okay. You guys help each other. Be a team. I'm so close. I'm gonna get it. Yes. Alright, we're coming out of dark ether mode.
Looks like our strike team found more of the device. Any idea what it is?
I'd wager it's from our world, an end station creation. Some sort of interdimensional scanner.
Alright, so we got our gallows. We survived that hellstorm. I'm gonna activate another ether. If I can find it. Just save a zombie in this. No. Save up for a jug or no? Save a zombie. Oh, go get your armor, boys. Go get your armors. At the end of this.
Noticing a large concentration of radioactivity in your ale. Something is headed your way.
To the morgue with you.
You guys are good. Save up for jug and shield. That's what we need to do. Oh, let me deal with this. Oh wait, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him. Lead him down to the fungus. We need to shoot the fungus, that's right. Guys. Creepo, come by me. Just stay behind me. Right now.
What in the hell is coming off that tree? Looks like it could freeze
okay,
the
we're good.
balls off a bloodhound.
One less hostile cadaver.
Good work, Strike Team, but you can't leave the job half done.
Try to kill those megaton bombers. That's okay, it's okay, don't worry. We gotta focus on this.
Get lost! Loser. Undead threat neutralized.
Yeah, they're aggressive. Just pump them a little and run. Oh, pick that up. Keycard, good stuff. Meet me at spawn. Lead creepo to spawn. Get Jug, run through the lab, and come and get your armor if you want. Go to spawn. Check creepo and just save one at the end of the round, and then we'll do it. Well, actually, wait, no, we need zombies for this step. That's right.
Scanning for decompressive isotopic.
Just get to spawn. Get creepo up. Get him to spawn. Where are you? Do you want me to come to you, boys? Just run him to spawn. Run him to spawn. Run him to spawn. Run, creepo. Come here. Where's creepo? Where the fuck's creepo? Let's go get creepo. No, we need him. Well, fuck him up, though. Actually, yeah, actually kill him. It's double points. Get your points. I want you boys. Alright, let's take, save it, actually, we just gotta go to spawn. Just finish the round, let's finish this round. Go get armor if you don't. Take creepo. Let's go get armor. I'm gonna get Jug. No? Yeah, you got it. You're good. You guys are all good. Alright. Alright, come on. Let's go to spawn. This way, other way. This way. Armor in this game is really good, actually, for once. Creepo, remember, you can jump up. You don't have to walk up the stairs. Always. I know, it took me a bit, too. Alright, now that we're at spawn, let me show you, here's the plan, We're gonna kill last, and then we gotta get zombie kills
signal detected.
right next to this motherfucking thing. Run it through here, you know this step. You know what I'm talking about.
Move
right?
on my waypoint.
That's where the zombie... Not to kill them, but like,
That's
turn on
enough
the
out of
thing. You hold X at it. It's next, right at the door. Right here you hold X. To activate it. Yeah, well, just wait.
Initiating
Train
remote
'em for now.
activation.
Just wait. It's okay, it'll recharge. Just run around. Just defend creep. Yeah. I'll just be here with Creepo. Creepo, come here. We got this. Actually, they might. Zombies are walking into it, so I think they
System
might.
overload.
Yeah, it's done. It's gonna cool down. Creepo, don't get yourself trapped, okay? Gotta run the zombies around. Don't get trapped in here. It's a little hectic. You're good, Creepo. Good. Milk, start bringing your horde in.
Cooldown complete.
We're good.
Remote activation.
Bring him over here, Creepo. Just bring him. Just stand here, you don't kill anything. Creepo, come here. Come on, Creepo. Come here. Come, run. On this side. Kill the zombies on this side.
Weapon storage at maximum. Fire when ready.
Heard rumors around this weapon. Some sort of matter absorption and
Pick up my knife
dispersal
on the
unit.
ground, that's
Whatever the
quite
fuck that is.
Oh, I should have killed that. Whoops. Oh well, it's better. Shoot that box. I'm just shooting a box and sucking the canister for dogs. When dogs come. How do you get one? Hitting the box. That's how you get the free die. Alright, save a zombie at the end of this round. Milk, you see under the fungus there's a flask. When it's filled, pick it up for me. Yeah, it's a little tricky to see. Yeah, just to help things around. Just wait until that zone's over. But that's we're good, we got this. We're doing very good. Make lots of sense. Try to pack a punch or gallows. Also, nice. Stop killing these. I'm gonna get you up, Creepo.
Shake it off.
Milk, save that one. Save that one. Save that. That's last. Alright, good boy. Good. Creepo, come down here.
Marking waypoint coordinates.
Come to that waypoint I marked on your map. Yep, I need you to come underground over here. We're gonna go...
Located locked door.
And We're gonna... Oh, let me take you to armor. I need a place. Oh, you need shotgun? Okay, here, follow me. There's, different little spots you can buy ammo at, so I'm pretty sure there is one. If I remember. Here it is. Just buy your ammo right here. Oh, yeah, build that. That's for the Easter egg. Creepo, that's for the Easter egg. You just did a part for the Easter egg. Yep, pick it up. Pick it up now. Right there, in front of you.
It's our lucky day, strike team.
See?
We have new
Creepo
orders
just did
from the
it.
director.
Good job. Now come over
We
here.
are to shut
Creepo.
down the
Get your ammo.
dimensional breach in an effort to contain the spread.
Come up
Suggestions?
here.
I
No,
say
you
we
only
shut
want
down the
this.
cyclotron. Severing the
Pack a bunch
dimensional
of them.
connection is our best chance to contain the spread.
Yeah, you get an achievement, I'm pretty sure. Don't pack the shotgun. Pack the shotgun. You almost packed mine, right? Good boy, yeah. Alright, good boy. Alright. Yeah, you did it. Alright. Now, Milk, you can come pack yours too. Oh, you found the portal? Alright. We're gonna go into that right after you pack yours. And then we're gonna start the next step to the Easter egg. I'm gonna wait for you though, so you can watch it and stuff. Oh, no worries. I'll take that off you, Creepo. I don't really have to run that around. I'll take care of that. Alright. Go to the Dark Ether portal after, boys. Go to the Dark Ether portal. Milk, lead Creepo to it. Yeah. I love how it never lets me jump up there. When the Dark Ether portal's in the way, I can never jump up. Okay, so you come over here, guys. There's gonna be a book on this table you can go. Just wait till you get into the Dark Ether. Get it? Alright, then you come over here. Come down here.
Anomaly detected.
And this anomaly will appear. So hold X. Give it to Schraub. Hold X again. Alright, now come on, run away. Run up here. Upstairs.
Anomaly
It's
detected.
okay, he's over here too. Hold X. Then hold X again to give him the book. Hold X again to give him the book.
Vogel, 3rd of April,
Nice.
1944.
Do you want to listen to him? Or do
After
you
a
want to
great
move on to
deal
the
of
next
trial and error, the decontamination chamber is complete. Kurtz
You didn't get to
unfortunately
listen to the
referred
first
to
one.
it
He's
as
a asshole.
Der Wechsler. And I'm afraid the nickname stuck.
Just leave that. That's for trials.
To be
That's
clear, we are not trying to change these men so much as restore them.
Vogel.
The initial results are encouraging.
Russian Schraub.
Removing exo-elemental contamination
Guess
from
he's a
their
Nazi. No,
brains
this is a Nazi. It's
improved
German.
some higher functions
That Schraub.
and reduce their violent outbursts.
Yeah, no, they are German.
These men are far.
Alright, we gotta go to the last one. Look out for a big guy. Just run. Alright. We gotta hurry before Dark Ether kicks
Anomaly
us
detected. Anomaly detected.
out. Down by where Creepo built the
Ulrich
Ether scope
Vogel,
was the last anomaly.
PhD,
Already
22nd
activated,
of
so just
August,
come down.
1944.
Move on my
Into the
waypoint.
losing Normandy
Yeah,
to
just
finally
run
gets
by.
a furious
Down here
attention.
and then listen to this guy
At
talk.
last, he
That's a
wants to
portal
weaponize
to
our
above.
findings here at Penn
That takes
Station.
you to above.
It was an idea that occurred
Did
to
you
me
do
the
the,
moment I
by
first
the way, or no?
conceived of the Wechsler.
The dancing.
Restore the minds of our necrotized
Oh, do you want me to
soldiers.
activate it?
Just to follow simple commands, we could unleash an undead army on both
practice.
fronts. Just imagine each brave German who falls
Well,
in
both.
battle
But I
rising
YouTubed
back
it,
up
and I
to
did it
protect the
myself.
fatherland.
Anomaly detected.
Joy to pictures
Oh, yeah,
of
that's the
running
last
in
one
terror.
activated.
Dr. Vogel?
The upgrades are completed. We are ready for the test.
Kurtz.
But I ran the numbers again.
Good. Oh.
Keeping the dimensional
Oh yeah, stay away from Big Dude. Just wait till we get out of Dark Ether now. Yeah, he is. And he's definitely was designed by Sledgehammer. Alright. come on, upstairs. Just avoid him until we get out of here now, and then we can go pick up put in the password in the computer. Or by speed cola. We gotta go back over by speed colas. Well, actually, we're gonna put the password made up.
I just thought we should go into this with our
Alright, here we
eyes
go.
open.
That was because of that kid. If you save zombies, it's easy. Oh, the boss fight? It was a little chaotic. Yeah, the boss fight, it's a little chaotic, but I think we'll handle it just fine. So you come up here and you enter the password. So we got it. And now we gotta go upgrade the die a bunch of times and shoot all these things with the different upgrades. So
Now there's something you don't see in your average evil Nazi secret bunker.
Okay.
Now, I'm no scientist, but it seems like it could be used to restore brain function in
Gotta get the fuse.
undead specimens.
Milk train zombie for 1 second. Or just watch me. He's probably just train zombie. Yeah. I forgot something. Start die. Where's thermo? Oh, here it is. I always forget thermo. Oh. How do I forget that every game? Oh well. They do. It's a good thing. Wait, where's the dark ether? Is there a dark ether portal anywhere? Ah, go hold exit it. Yeah, just for a moment. I'm gonna do one last little thing I forgot to at the start of the game. Just get the fuse. Not just get the fuse. Oh yeah, the crystal step with the gun. That's a different portal. You gotta do it with the portal down below. Which I never usually do. I'm just getting the fuse. I picked up the fuse, then you go over here with the fuse, and you gotta use the cutter. Come down here, and use the plasma cutter. Yeah, just run away from him. Alright, now we're gonna come out of dark ether. Now we did that. Now I can do the thermog upgrade. The thermog upgrade. I think that's what it's called. Let me look at it. What's he call it? The die thermophasic. Thermophasic. Die thermophasic. Alright, so you go over here. It's up on the car, on this truck. You die. You open your box.
It shoots fireballs. You know what that means, don't you?
Zombie
It
blood
shoots
eggs. It's been 10
fireballs.
minutes.
Raptor 1 has an exfil window open, strike team. Call it in if you need to bug out.
Then you take this. It's like Black Ops 4. After 10 minutes, the zombie just dies for no reason. Then I put the cryogenic fluid on this one. Melts the chains off that. And upgrade it to cryo.
Cryo emitter out.
And we gotta get out.
I may not know much about the weapon, but I know what they're worth. You're about to put the freeze on these SOBs.
Let's get out. Real freaking round.
I'll kill you all if I have to.
Let's not get out.
To the morgue with you.
I got him. Get out. Follow what I do. Follow what I do. got it. He made it out. But we all need our shields back. We should go to spawn and just train and save one. If anything. On a dog round, I'm gonna take a dog over to fill a canister.
Whatever happened here, Omega Group's been planning it for some time. That means the Soviets are well ahead of us.
Spawn.
I don't like it.
That makes two of us. The Soviets must have known there was a risk turning that machine back on. And they did it anyway.
Much better than YOLO's first time with kid, but that was because of the kid. It was the British kid. No, don't. Just kill the zombies and save one in the last.
Exfil window's gone.
Oh.
I'll let you know when the next
Kill
one's available.
Big Nigga. Kill him. Murder him. Ow.
You go to the puppies.
Yeah. No! Healing aura. Healing aura. Who has healing aura? Please. I died all the way at the bottom of pack a punch. Pack a punch. I was trying to shoot the things. Shouldn't have been down here. I'm on my perks. Oh, yay, thank you. You saved my jug. You saved my jug.
I needed that.
That one. I'm sure there's one more. There, yeah, it worked. Yay, it worked. Enjoy. This is why I lost all my perks. Enjoy. You can thank me later. Ask me how I remembered it. Yeah. Oh. Oh, there's intel in the stairs somewhere. Hold on. Someone can get Chuck. In case I'm in 2 or 3. So keep them. Get shield. That's more.
Clear.
Tier 2 shield. Alright, nice.
Major, if the Nazis really were balls deep in dimensional research...
No, that's fine. No, that's fine, it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna go do some sucking and some shooting. Which is always fun. I'm just getting dead shot because I like dead shot. Oh, I love dead shot. I need to switch my gun out, but I don't like this Alright. We go activate. Settle down there. Settle down. what I said when I started playing this. I really like it too. Alright, I'm going to suck things and spit it. Well, we can save one. Save one at the end 14. Guy. I'm gonna go shoot the oh, nice. Red mage. Get the one on top and I'll get that one. No. That's why. Oh, hey, cool, man. Running back with the fucking guy. Not too good. Just so that's good. So that's it. Two down. 1, 2, 3. Wait, on the dog, was that a dog round last round? That sounds dead, probably. We need a dog to fill that canvas. Oh, okay. Bring him on, over by the new. Come to me. I'll take him. I think you're going the right way. Turn around, actually. Come back. Turn around, come back. You're going too far. I need that dog over here by this nuke. Right.
Destination marked.
No, you're not. Oh shit. There's another one. Alright, definitely not that. But, we gotta save a zombie, really. And bring... I need a dog by this canister here, that portal. Is it a green glowy thingy? That's a megaton. It's gonna split. It's gonna split and you're gonna wanna run away from it. Run away. Just run away. They're evil. Foxy. Fox. Yeah, aim for their head, it does the most damage. Otherwise they'll fuck you up, they're very dangerous. Save that dog, save that dog. Bring it over by the nuke, no? You know where Deadshot is? Bring it by Deadshot. Like the nuke. Just go. Yeah. Big nuke. I'm coming. You just gotta kill the dog by the canister that I placed. Which I will show you. I'll get there. I got you, don't worry. You're not fucked. Milk's got you, if not, well, he's got a dog. We'll figure it out. It's okay. It's okay. Where are you guys? Both by the, spawn? I did everything to save you out of all. I don't know what happened, but I think it worked. I don't know what the hell just happened. Throw stuns, do your ability. Revive me. Oh god. No. Yours doesn't last as long as mine because yours is the upgraded version. That's okay. That was pretty good for our first run. We'll beat it tomorrow. Yeah, you did good. That's pretty good for your first run. If I would have remembered to do the canister on a dog round, we probably wouldn't have died. Yeah. It's like underground, next to the perk machine. Yeah. It's okay. We almost got the Easter egg. Sounds good. Play tomorrow then. Have even more fun. Yeah, I'm gonna get off. Oh yeah, Valhalla. Quite fun. Yeah, no problem, Milk.